Chasing women is one of the biggest mistakes men make in the dating game. If you're doing it, you're killing your value. In this video, I'll show you 3 major reasons why you should never chase a woman. 1. You will lose your power. Chasing a woman instantly shifts the balance of power, and it will not be in your favor. When you chase, you're subconsciously telling her that she's more valuable than you are. This does not only diminish your perceived worth, but also removes any sense of challenge, which is a key element in attraction. Women are naturally drawn to men who are confident, independent, and selective with their time and attention. When you chase, you are signaling that you are needy and insecure. High-value men don't chase because they know that their self-worth is not dependent on external validation from women. Instead, they work on becoming better versions of themselves, focusing on their goals and ambitions. This, in turn, makes them more attractive. Chasing puts you in a position of weakness, where you constantly seek her approval. But when you stand firm in your value and don't chase, you command respect and admiration. Let her be the one to pursue you by holding onto your power. 2. It pushes her away. Chasing a woman might seem like the logical way to show your interest, but it often backfires and pushes her away instead. When you're overly eager and always available, you come across as desperate, which is the fastest way to kill attraction. Women are attracted to mystery, excitement, and a sense of challenge. By chasing, you remove all of these elements and become predictable. A woman doesn't want a man who is always around her. She wants someone who values his own time and isn't willing to drop everything for her. When you chase her, you make yourself too attainable, and she'll lose interest because there's no longer any thrill in pursuing a relationship. On the other hand, when you show genuine interest without overcommitting, you keep the dynamic balanced. Give her the space to wonder, to miss you, and to be curious about your life. Chasing drives her further away instead of pushing her into your arms. The key is to let her chase you. 3. You're wasting time and energy. Chasing women is a waste of time and energy. Every moment you spend trying to win over someone who isn't showing reciprocal interest is time you could be dedicating to yourself. Whether it's working on your business, improving your fitness, or developing new skills, investing in your own growth will yield far better returns than chasing someone who may never appreciate your efforts. High-value men understand that their time is limited and precious. Rather than spending it chasing after a woman, they focus on building a life that naturally attracts women. Women are drawn to men who have their lives together, men who have purpose and direction. When you focus on yourself, you become the kind of man that women want to be with because you've created a lifestyle that is attractive in itself. Stop wasting your time chasing and invest in becoming a man who effortlessly draws women to him through his success and confidence. If you want women to chase you, stop chasing them first. Shift your focus to self-improvement, and the game will change. Drop a comment below if you've ever found yourself chasing a woman and realized it wasn't worth it. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.